When you hear the sound of the horn, flute, harp, and lyre, everyone must bow and worship the golden image. They refuse to bow to the golden idol, your majesty. How dare you defy me? Bow now!
O King Nebuchadnezzar, we do not need to defend ourselves before you. The God we serve is able to deliver us from your blazing furnace.
Is it true, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, that you will not serve my gods or worship the golden image if you do not bow? When you hear the sound of the horn, flute, harp, and lyre, everyone must bow and worship the golden image. Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who has sent his angel and rescued his servants. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God.